Hey, how's it going, guys? So in this video, I want to respond to some of the comments I received from this video, how to add, copy, and remove rows on QTableWidget. So from this video, I noticed that a lot of people are asking, how can we perform the same task, except that for the active row? Because from this example, I'm only showing you how to create, copy, and remove the last row. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can perform the same task to the active row or the select row. Alright, so first I'm going to grab the code snippet from this tutorial. So here's the code snippet. I already copy paste to my Python script. Now if I run the application, so here if I try to add new row, so this one doesn't matter. So if I, here let's do this. I'm going to write something here. I'll type A1, B1, and C1. I'll change my selection to the first row. Now if I click on new, it's going to insert a new row at the end. The same thing as if I click on copy, it's going to duplicate the last row. Let's go back. So if I want to perform the tasks to the select row, fortunately the changes are very minimal. So here I'm going to come out row counts. And I'll create a variable called current row. And this is going to be the current row index. And to grab the selection row index, so here we can use the current row method. And I'll change the insert row index to current row plus 1. And that's for the add row method. And for the remove row method, here I'll grab the current row index. And I'll move this line inside the if statement. And I can change this to current row index. Now to duplicate the select row, so this one's a little bit more complex. So here I'm going to grab the current row index. And I'll change this to insert row followed by current row index. And I don't need the row count anymore. Now going back to the loop. So here I'm iterating each column. Inside the if statement, I want to check against the current row. The reason why I need to increase the current row index by 1 is because, so here I already insert a new row. Now if I simply reference the current row index, then I'm going to get blank values. So I need to increase the index by 1. And here I'm going to say that if this statement is not none, then I want to copy the value from the current row plus 1 position. And this will be current row plus 1. And that's it. Now if I launch the window, and here I'm going to make a couple copies. So I'm going to, let's see, so I'm going to type something in row 3. Let's do A3, B3, C3. I'm going to create a new row by clicking on new push button. So here let me type A5, B5. I'm going to make my selection in row 3. Now if I click on new again, I should expect that a new row will insert between A3 and A5. Now let's try the duplicate function. Oh, so this one is incorrect. Here let me go back. So here I'm inserting the current row. Oh, I see. So here I'm inserting the values in the incorrect row index. So this should be current row only. Let me try again. So this is going to be A2, B2, A4, and B4. Now if I click on copy, and I'll duplicate the current selection row. Now if I click on remove, and I'll delete the select row. Alright, so this is everything I want to show you in this video, and hopefully you guys found this video useful. And as always, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.